Hello to everyone who's joining in. I hope you're doing very well. This is Sabine Sheikh. Please tell me what is the time at your end, where are you joining in from, so that we can get this party officially started. Once again, my name is Sabine Sheikh and I am the founder of Sab Skin. I'm a skincare, I wouldn't call maniac, but pretty close to it. And today we are going to talk about a topic which has been bugging so many of you, and that is hyperpigmentation. So today we are going to talk about hyperpigmentation and what to do about it. How can you do things to counter hyperpigmentation? So let me know where are you joining in from, what's the time at your end, and we can dive straight into the topic of hyperpigmentation and melasma, so that I can tell you what exactly is it that you need to do for hyperpigmentation and what are the different types of it, how do you take care of them. So without further ado, I'm going to just wait for you to type down where are you from and whether it's melasma or it's something else. Let's talk about everything. Okay, so are there any questions? So Assalamu alaikum, meri chin par, so I'm going to start this live by answering your first question that I can see. मेरी चिन पर बहुत पिंपल निकलते हैं. मैंने आपको मैसेज भी किया था, आपने रिप्लाई नहीं किया. I'm so sorry. मैं आपको अभी रिप्लाई कर देती हूँ. जो चिन पे मैसेज चिन पे जो पिंपल निकलते हैं, गॉड, चिन पे जो पिंपल निकलते हैं उसकी एक बहुत बड़ी वजह होती है हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंस, जैसे कि आपको नज़र आ रहा है कि मेरे भी हैं. इट इज़ परफेक्टली कम्प्लीटली नॉर्मल. इट हैज़ अ लॉट टू डू विद समथिंग अराउंड योर साइकिल. आपको ज़रूर महसूस होते हैं और अदर टाइम. सो चिन का जो पिंपल है, अगर वो एक आधा है तो इट इज़ यूजुअली ड्यू टू साइकिल, और ये साइकिल के ख़त्म होने के साथ ठीक भी हो जाते हैं. तो यू शुड बी एबल टू डील विद इट. अब अगर उसके अलावा इफ़ यू हैव अनदर क्वेश्चन अराउंड इट, आई विल बी हैप्पी टू आंसर दैट फॉर यू गाइज. So let me tell you some hacks for hyperpigmentation that are a little unhinged, that you haven't heard before. सबसे ज़रूरी चीज़ है कि आपको अगर हाइपरपिगमेंटेशन हो रही है या होने के चांसेस हैं, जिसमें आपकी एक्नी दाग छोड़ देती है, आपको मेलाज्मा है, आपके हाइपरपिगमेंटेशन के पैचेस हैं, फेस पे चिन के अराउंड या मुंह के इर्द गिर्द डार्कनेस का एरिया है, इन सारे केसेस में आपको बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी चीज़ें अवॉइड करनी है. यू हैव टू अवॉइड रॉ, cold and sugary foods. Sugar is going to weaken the spleen. Raw foods are going to weaken the spleen. Cold foods are going to weaken the spleen. So if you have hyperpigmentation, you have to eat warm cooked foods. Even if you want to have vegetables, don't have raw salads. Have cooked or steamed vegetables. I know this sounds weird, but it works. Secondly, if you want to improve your hyperpigmentation, try to have rice instead of wheat. According to Chinese medicine, that works much better. Then things like pumpkin, sweet potato, squash, very good. But the best thing for hyperpigmentation, and I know it's going to shock a lot of you, is ginger. Taking ginger water every morning is very, very good for hyperpigmentation, because it helps you with your spleen. It also helps with digestion, to lose weight. If you're not already taking ginger, please start taking ginger water. That is a life-changing hack. It is going to change your life, and it works for hyperpigmentation. I can talk about the topical applications of hyperpigmentation. Yes, that is a very important topic, but why not also utilize hacks that are in your kitchen, which can help you a lot, and you can be in a completely different place. So second thing is, for hyperpigmentation, you have to start taking black foods. Kala til लें, कलौंजी लें, कलौंजी का तेल लें, डार्क कलर की जो बेरीज होती हैं, ब्लू बेरीज हो गई, ब्लैक बेरीज हो गई, वो लें. दे वर्क अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स. बोन ब्रॉथ वर्क्स अ लॉट. जो आप यखनी बना के रोज़ पीते हैं, उससे आपको सिर्फ कोलेजन के अंदर ही फ़ायदा नहीं होगा, बल्कि यू विल ऑल्सो सी अ ह्यूज इम्प्रूवमेंट इन योर टीथ मिनरलाइजेशन एंड ऑल्सो इन योर हाइपरपिगमेंटेशन, बिलीव इट और नॉट. Prioritize your sleep. That is very, very important. Then the number one hack number one hack for hyperpigmentation that you did not know is that liver needs to be supported. You have to support your liver if you want to reverse hyperpigmentation, and the best way to support your liver is to eat bitters. करेले खाएं, केल खाएं, ऐसी चीज़ें जो लिवर को ठंडक पहुंचाएं वो खाएं. खीरा खाएं, सेलरी लें, केल लें, स्विस चार्ड लें, और जो टींडे हैं वो खाएं. पेपरमिंट टी लें, क्राइसैंथेमम टी लें. दे आर is excellent for hyperpigmentation. They work very, very well. So you have to understand that melasma is basically triggered by sun, it is triggered by hormones, and it is triggered by heat. Let me just So if you want your hyperpigmentation to go away, you have to do that. In addition to that, you have to start using Sabskin Fountain of Youth. That is going to be a game changer for hyperpigmentation because it is 7 serums in one. It is not just one serum. Okay, now you have to understand, and I'm saying it very, very respectfully, that treating a complex medical skin condition like melasma takes time. So be patient with it. You might start seeing results, but in between you will get cycles of ups and downs. Do not get discouraged. During that time, keep yourself stable and keep looking at things. And you have to reframe the way you think about it. Instead of thinking it as a bad thing, think of it as a good thing. Think of it as a way for you to take care of your skin, and you are going to change your diet the way I've told you. You're going to do stress management because stress management can cause melasma and hyperpigmentation. And then you have to have a vitamin C serum in your routine in the morning and at night. If you have hyperpigmentation, use Hello Glow serum in the morning and use Fountain of Youth at night, because at night Fountain of Youth will be ethylated ascorbic acid, and in the morning Hello Glow will be magnesium ascorbic phosphate, and they are both important for you to create the best skin of your life. You have to combine that with tranexamic acid, which is a superstar for melasma, and it works through a unique pathway that others do not. Then niacinamide, which is in Perfect Toner, is a game changer. Perfect Toner and Hello Glow is a game-changing combination for hyperpigmentation and melasma. Then there is azelaic acid. Azelaic acid works for some people wonders, and for some people it does nothing. Why? Don't ask me why. I don't know the reason, but it somehow happens. Then the one thing that is clinically proven is retinol. Retinol is the gold standard for anti-aging. Retinol is the gold standard for hyperpigmentation. So you have to get that on board. So one of the best things that I found for hyperpigmentation is the combination of Perfect Toner and Hello Glow. But if you are a fan of Paula's Choice, if you want to do Paula's Choice, then you can use their triple action dark spot eraser, which is a 7% AHA lotion that works very well for hyperpigmentation and melasma as well. When shout out to Paula's Choice for creating such a great serum. Like, I am a lover of skincare. मुझे जब किसी ब्रांड की कोई चीज़ अच्छी लगती है तो I talk about it, I appreciate it. You have to understand you need to have a vitamin C serum and you need to have a pigment inhibiting treatment. They are both very important. They both have their own places, and if you do them together, your hyperpigmentation is going to go down, 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 down. And if you combine it with Sabskin yellow light and red light mask, give 10 minutes of yellow light, 10 minutes of red light with the Fountain of Youth serum, you are going to see massive changes. If you have acne scars, if your skin is burnt or darker because of the sun exposure, you went to the beach, you played out a lot, or if you did melasma treatments or hyperpigmentation treatments and you want to maintain them, because if you do not maintain them, then melasma that you have gotten rid of will come back to you. So all of these things can be cured by using Sabskin Skinimalism Serum. And as I said before, like, I have no problem in giving shout out to products that I like. So I really like Paula's Choice Triple Action Dark Spot Eraser, 7% AHA. It is a good serum. You can use that if you want to use something other than Sabskin. Otherwise, Sabskin Perfect Toner and Hello Glow Serum and Fountain of Youth, they are game changers. Game changers for hyperpigmentation. You're going to see such massive changes. The more you use them, the more you will see your skin getting better and better, hyperpigmentation getting better and better with time. You're going to see massive results with it. So stick with it. I love it, and I'm sure you will love it too. Is there anything else I can answer for you guys? Do they work for tan too? Of course they do. Any kind of tan can be treated with that. So गोरे तो tan करना चाहते हैं, but मुझे पता है brown communities tan को बंद करना चाहती हैं. If you want to close it, this is the way to do it. Please talk about Sabskin multivitamin cream. It's not Sabskin's multivitamin cream. It's Skinimalism multivitamin cream. It is a great cream. It has alpha-arbutin in it. It has multivitamins and multi-antioxidants in it. And using the multivitamin cream from Skinimalism Pakistan, skinimalism.pk, is gonna give you, it is not just a makeup primer, it is the best kind of makeup primer because the makeup is enhancing your skin, but it is going inside your skin and enhancing your skin, so it needs less and less makeup over time. So it's very sticky. It's an excellent makeup primer. If you haven't used it before, do it now. How can I order from Sabskin? Ordering from Sabskin, all you have to do is go on www.sabskin.com, SABBSKIN, sabskin.com, and you can order from there. And if you're in Pakistan, you can go on www.sabskin.pk, which is SABBSKIN.pk, and you can order from there. Do turmeric capsules help with inflammation like in polycystic ovary syndrome? That's a very good question. Yes, it does help in polycystic ovary syndrome, and that is something that you will see more and more happening, that people will be using that to overcome inflammation. So you will be seeing that a lot in the market, and it is a very good thing. But my advice is, instead of taking turmeric capsules, instead of taking them, cook your turmeric. I personally think that turmeric capsules are a waste of money. I'm sorry, it's an unpopular opinion. And I think the best way to have turmeric is the simple way कि आप अपने खाने में डालें और खाने में उसको पका के खाएं, और उसके साथ black pepper ज़रूर लें, because black pepper enhances the absorption of turmeric. But I prefer turmeric cooked a million times over having turmeric just कच्ची capsules, because कच्ची capsules की absorption नहीं होगी. हमारी जो tradition है, हमारी जो diet है, उसमें जो ये सब चीज़ें हैं, उसके अंदर there are hidden secrets, right? So turmeric capsules are good, but if you can cook your turmeric, you will see much better absorption. उसके अलावा उसके साथ आप ब्लैक पेपर ज़रूर लें, दैट मेक्स अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस. और अगर आप टर्मेरिक कच्ची हल्दी का अगर आप रूट ले सकें तो वो और भी अच्छा है. दिस इज इवन बेटर बिकॉज दीज आर एंशियंट टिप्स, एंशियंट रेमेडीज एंड सीक्रेट्स फ्रॉम आवर एंसेस्टर्स, एंड दे रियली वर्क. मतलब हमें हर चीज़ में गोरों को कॉपी करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि गोरे हमें कॉपी कर रहे हैं और हम गोरों को कॉपी कर रहे हैं. ये कोई बहुत स्मार्ट स्ट्रैटेजी नहीं है. नाउ यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड that you have to cook with turmeric, cook with black pepper to get the maximum benefit, and it is way cheaper than getting a big bottle of turmeric capsules which costs a lot of money, right? The second thing is you can also make a golden milk, हल्दी दूध जिसको हमारी नानियाँ दादियाँ बना के देती थी, वो कर सकते हैं. उसके अलावा यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि जो कुक टर्मेरिक है वो आपको जनरल वेलनेस देती है, लेकिन अगर आपको हाई बायो अवेलेबिलिटी चाहिए तो फिर आप उसको कैप्सूल्स ले लें, बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स दे आर इंजीनियर्ड फॉर एब्जॉर्प्शन. अगर आपको किसी किस्म के हेल्थ इश्यूज के लिए चाहिए तो आप वैसे ले सकते हैं. उसके अलावा आप कहें तो आई कैन टॉक अबाउट व्हाट अदर सप्लीमेंट्स can women have and what other nutrients they need to have every day. If you have any questions about the supplements and nutrients of women, like, of course I can help you with that. I can give answers if you guys have any questions or comments about what women should be taking every day for their nutrients, for their supplements. We can talk about all of them. So, multivitamin is something a lot of women take, which I am kind of against, because unless you take a multivitamin which has methylated forms of B vitamin like methylcobalamin, then it's not that good. But omega-3 fatty acids is really, really important. Every woman should have omega-3 fatty acids every day. And I tell all women that diamonds are not a girl's best friend. Omega-3 fatty acids are, because omega-3 creates so much cognition, so much brain power in you. You have no idea. It's not even funny, all the things that omega-3 is going to do for you. Then D3. Many women are deficient in vitamin D3. So you have to understand, especially if you're in northern climates, if you use a lot of sunscreen daily, as you should be using sunscreen daily. Vitamin D is vital for immunity. It is vital for bone health. It is vital for bone density. You have to use vitamin D with K2. Vitamin D has to be taken with K2, and do not take it with fiber-rich foods, because fiber-rich foods are going to just make it go out with your poop. So please try to take it with a high-fat, low-fiber meal, or just with some fat. Try to take it with one of the bigger meals. And yes, does omega-3 also help in polycystic ovary syndrome? Yes. Omega-3 does, and magnesium does. Magnesium is what you should be taking every day, twice a day, if you have polycystic ovary syndrome. That is going to basically literally transform your life. Then one more thing that I tell a lot of women to take is probiotics. See, gut skin health is an axis. So if you take care of your gut, you are taking care of your skin. An imbalance in your gut bacteria can cause you depression. It can cause you anxiety. It can cause you bad skin. It's like inflammation, eczema, acne, dull, dry skin, everything because of poor gut health. Probiotics helps you change that. Probiotics helps you create a healthy microbiome. And then let's say if you have melasma, let's say if you have hyperpigmentation, and if you're not taking a vitamin C capsule, what are you even doing? If you have hyperpigmentation and you're not taking a vitamin C capsule, what on earth are you doing, girl? You are doing yourself a huge disservice. Stop that now. Take vitamin C at least 1000 mg every day, and preferably take that and iron together, because vitamin C and iron create a synergy. Then I want you to take Polypodium leucotomus. Why? Because HelioCare is basically a very fascinating fern extract. When you take it orally, it acts as a systemic antioxidant, and it enhances your skin's own defense against UV damage. And that is crazy, because without applying and reapplying sunscreen, you can start doing that. It is still not a replacement for your sunscreen, but HelioCare is a game changer for athletes and people who spend a lot of time in sun. Then if you are worried about anti-aging, if you're worried about wrinkles, if you're worried about collagen support, then obviously we know that eating collagen does not directly produce collagen. So do not let anyone fool you into thinking that. But there is promising research which shows that some types of hydrolyzed collagen peptides can improve your skin's elasticity and density, because what do? They stimulate your body's own collagen production. But look for type 1 and type 3 of collagen. Then one very important thing is astaxanthin. Astaxanthin is critical for you because it's a very powerful antioxidant. It comes from algae. It gives salmon its pink color. It's shown to improve skin elasticity. It reduces wrinkles, and it protects against UV damage from the inside out. Let's say आपकी skin जल गई है. Taking astaxanthin is going to strengthen your skin from the inside out. Then acne and hormonal breakouts. If you get a lot of acne and you have not introduced zinc in your routine, no, not at all. Girl, you've done yourself a disfavor. Zinc is one of the first things that you need to take. If you have acne, take regular zinc, regular spearmint or peppermint tea. If you have acne, these two are very important. Whether you're a girl, whether you're a boy, try these two things if you're having acne. Then is DIM. DIM is dindolamethane. Why do we need that? We need this because it is found in cruciferous vegetables. They don't only give you fiber, they give you estrogen metabolism. And estrogen metabolism is very important, because everybody who has hormonal acne needs to have DIM, but it is very potent. Talk to your doctor before you take it. Then if your hair is thinning and you think your iron is normal, your ferritin should be somewhere around 50 if your hair is thinning. Secondly, saw palmetto. I cannot tell you the number of times my clients have seen a difference just by using saw palmetto in their diet. Saw palmetto can help block the hormone DHT, because DHT is linked to hair follicle thinning. So if you start using saw palmetto, you are going to see massive results. This was, by the way, a part of chubby hair tablets, but that's a story for another day. So you have to start with the bottom line. You have to have omega-3, you have to have vitamin D, you have to have probiotics. This is the bottom line. Then you add targeted supplements strategically. Don't throw everything together. Everything, like Sabine told you, 15 supplements, you put together 15 supplements. Don't do that. And then quality is everything. Don't just buy the cheapest supplement in the market. Try to get the best supplement in the market, because supplements are not FDA regulated like drugs. You have to find higher quality, higher strength. Sometimes you see 1000 mg omega-3 and you're like, buy it. No. Turn the bottle and see what is the EPA and DHA count on it. Is the EPA and DHA count less than 600, then you have to take 2 doses. You also need to monitor what your omega-3 ratio is to make sure that it works for you. And then patience is the key. आज आपने टिक्कियां फांकी तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि कल से आपको एक चमकती हुई चांद का चमकता चेहरा नजर आना शुरू हो जाएगा. You will still have to see results over time, and it will show you what you can and cannot do. Sabine, I wanted to buy 2 LED caps or gifting someone on defense sale, but I couldn't buy them. I couldn't see them on the Canadian website. Can you help me out, please? I ordered the LED face mask and I am waiting. Aisha Zahir, please DM me and I will get you your hair caps yourself. They were sold out and they are on back order, but I'll try to book you in right now on the Defense Day sale. So please go ahead and message me. If any of you cannot find something out of stock, please message me and we'll get that party started for you very quickly. Is there any other question I can answer for any of you guys? I have severe dark spots on my cheeks and have pigmentation. Please tell me which products should I purchase from Sapskin and which routine to follow. That is such a good question. So if you have hyperpigmentation, give me a second. If you have hyperpigmentation and you want one product, it has to be Fountain of Youth, because this is 7 serums in one. This is just not a serum. It is the thickest, most luxurious thing you will ever see in your life. It is considered a dupe for Estee Lauder, but I don't think so. I think it is way better than the Estee Lauder serum, which is a good serum, by the way. But if you have hyperpigmentation and you want one thing, it should be this. If you have hyperpigmentation and you want 2 things, then it should be the Lava de Volcan face wash. Now you're going to ask me, how is this face wash going to help me with hyperpigmentation? And I am going to tell you, I'm so glad you asked. This is not a normal face wash. This face wash, like one of my friends, Razia, used it for hyperpigmentation and she called me and next morning and she said, what have you put in it? Because my hyperpigmentation is reduced. Now I'll tell you why lava face wash works for hyperpigmentation. It basically has lava particles that exfoliate the top hyperpigmentation and show you immediate results. So that's the second thing you should get. Then the third thing that you should get if you have hyperpigmentation is retinol. So aging backwards is key to healthy skin. If you do not have this, then you are not doing anti-aging properly. So make sure if you have hyperpigmentation or if you're looking for anti-aging benefits that you have aging backwards in your life, because this is life-changing stuff. This is encapsulated retinaldehyde. There is no other company in the entire world combining encapsulated retinaldehyde with 5% niacinamide with a 3-blend luxury oil. Nobody is doing it. This is taking care of 3 or 4 of your products. It's all those products in one, because niacinamide should be 5% with retinol. Retinol should be 0.05%. And the retinol should be encapsulated so that it can penetrate your skin, take out hyperpigmentation, take out anti-wrinkle, and give you the skin of your dreams. So this is what you guys should be using. And for hyperpigmentation, you should also be using Perfect Toner. Perfect Toner is a game changer because it's going to exfoliate your skin and it is going to bring out fresh skin cells. And in the morning, you can also use Hello Glow Serum. That is very, very good. So what you can do is in the morning, you can use Perfect Toner and Hello Glow Serum. And then just apply your sunscreen. And in the evening, you are going to use Fountain of Youth, then put on Sapskin LED face mask and leave that on red light and yellow light 10 minutes each. That is the protocol for hyperpigmentation. And then you're going to follow it up with Aging Backwards. And you can combine it with Skincare Wanderlust to give your skin a flood of collagen peptides. This simple routine is going to change your skin. Try it and thank me later. Just a combination of these three things is going to change your any kind of scarring, any kind of hyperpigmentation. These three things are a game changer for any kind of hyperpigmentation and scarring. Try it and tell me how do you feel. It is going to delight you, surprise you, and make you so supremely happy. What else can I answer for you guys at my end? किसी और के कोई questions हैं? आज मेरा गाना गाने को दिल कर रहा है, but let me see. What other questions do I have? Hey Sabine, long time, Sanders. Please tell me something for dark under thighs, going to get married and I'm very worried for it. Fear not, I have you there. If you have dark under thighs, get the Perfect Toner. You have to use it and use Skinimalism's Mandelit wash on your under thighs. And see, this has mandelic acid. Combine that with salicylic acid. Use these two and then you can use Hello Glow More Serum. It's a big economical bottle on your dark under thighs and your entire area will become beautiful. Like, first of all, you're beautiful just the way you are. But if you really want to change it, then this 3-step protocol is going to change your skin. What other questions can I answer for you guys? I just finished my coffee and I can take my vitamin D. Is it to take it right? Is it okay to take it after caffeine? Yes, you can. You can take it after that. Why is Skinimalism not available in Canada? Because Skinimalism is made in Pakistan, so we do not sell Made in Pakistan brand in Canada. So I'm so sorry for that. Skinimalism is only for Pakistan and for Pakistani audience. Okay, repeat the words or write them. Okay, I will repeat the words. If you have darkness in any area, for example, like dark under thighs or dark underarms or darkness around lips, what you're going to do is you're going to apply Perfect Toner on that area. And you, first of all, you're going to wash it with Skinimalism Mandelit face wash. No other face wash, Mandelit. Then you're going to apply Sapskin Perfect Toner. And then you're going to apply Hello Glow More Serum. You're going to apply these two things. Take a picture if you want to. And you are going to apply them wherever you are feeling darkness and watch them disappear. If it's in your under thighs or body area, cover this with Vaseline on top. This is all you need for glowing skin and for reducing your marks. What else is there? My body, joints, knee, legs start hurting a week before periods. I also suffer from painful periods. Low blood pressure on first day. Which test should be done to rule out the problem? I don't have PCOS. Okay, what I'm giving you is not medical advice, but अगर आपको periods से पहले body pain, bone pains हो रही हैं, तो it looks like कि आपकी bones weak हैं. Please get your vitamin D tested first of all. Secondly, get your omega ratio tested. That is very, very critical. Thirdly, I would highly suggest कि आप अपनी breakfast के साथ 2 मोरिंगा के capsules ज़रूर लेना शुरू कर दें with some, medical advice taken, because moringa can help you with chronic iron deficiency, which you seem to be having. But please get yourself tested before you start on anything like that. दोनों सिरम्स एक साथ अप्लाई करने हैं जी. दोनों सिरम्स वन आफ्टर अनदर. पहले ये अप्लाई करना है, फिर ये अप्लाई करना है. ऑर्डर डजंट मैटर बिकॉज देर बोथ वाटरी. बट उसके ऊपर से किसी किस्म की भी आपने वैसलीन लगा लेनी है. ये 3 चीज़ों का स्क्रीनशॉट ले लें. बॉडी में कहीं पे भी डिस्कलरेशन या डार्कनेस है, ये लिप्स पे कहीं पर, ये 3 चीज़ों का कॉम्बिनेशन उसको ठीक कर देगा. Thank you, thank you. You're welcome. I have gray hair in my beard. I don't want to use dye. Are there any natural ways? I'm so glad you asked. Yes, there are natural ways to reverse your gray hair in your beard. First way is to get the Sapskin Skinimalist Red Light Therapy Mask. Put it on your face. It is going to start rejuvenate the your skin cells in your beard area. Secondly, start taking black foods like blackstrap molasses, kalonji, kale til. Use black things in your food and use that for 6 months to a year. Reversing gray hair is not an overnight game. It is going to take 6 months to a year. Just trust the process. Trust what I'm telling you. You have nothing to lose. You have nothing to lose. Just try it and tell me what happens. Which things have I missed? ये तो अब आपको बाद में पता लगेगा. Hair कैसे regrowth होंगे? हेयर रीग्रोथ के लिए आप लेंगे सैपस्किन की एलईडी हेयर कैप और साथ में आप लेंगे सैपस्किन का हेयर सेट जिसके अंदर है सैपस्किन का चबी हेयर सीरम विच इज गोइंग टू गिव यू मैसिव हेयर ग्रोथ. इसको और इसको आप कंबाइन करेंगे आपस में एंड देन यू गोना वॉच द रिजल्ट्स एंड यू गोना बी वाउड बाय द रिजल्ट्स. So elegant, so beautiful, just looking like a wow. Sabine, please tell me excess sweating on armpits. Excess sweating on armpits is usually a medical condition. उसके लिए कुछ लोग अपने armpits में बोटॉक्स लगवाते हैं. स्किन केयर उसका इलाज नहीं कर सकती क्योंकि sweat glands are within. But yes, are you asking me to talk about कि आप खाने में क्या कर सकती हैं? सो वो मैं आपको बता सकती हूँ बिकॉज वन ऑफ द थिंग्स दैट आई एम रियली रियली पैशनेट अबाउट इसकी कई चीज़ों का इलाज आप अपनी खुराक से कर सकते हैं. सो दिस पर्सन हियर दिस रिस्पेक्टेड लेडी इज सेइंग कि एक्सेसिव स्वेटिंग हो रही है और उसकी जो है ना एक्सेसिव स्वेटिंग जो है वो इंटरनल इम्बैलेंस की निशानी होती है. ठीक है ना. उसमें बेसिकली आपको एग्जर्शन के बगैर भी स्वेटिंग होती रहती है. तो आपको क्या करना है, आपको अपने अंदर ठंडी चीज़ों को एक्यूमुलेट करना है और अपनी बॉडी की हीट को आपने कंट्रोल करना है. उससे आपको फायदा होगा बहुत ज़्यादा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल शुगरी चीज़ें खाना आप बंद कर दीजिए. दैट इज़ वन ऑफ द की थिंग्स विच कैन कॉज यू इश्यूज. द सेकेंड थिंग इज़ कि आपने वार्म फूड्स खाने हैं जैसे गरम चावल हो गए, उबले हुए चावल हो गए, उबले हुए ओट्स हो गए, मशरूम्स हो गए. थोड़ा सा वेल कुक्ड जिंजर खा लें या फिर जिंजर का वाटर पी लें गरम. वो बहुत आपको हेल्प दे सकता है. उसके अलावा वाटरमेलन मॉडरेशन में खाने से भी आपकी एक्सेस स्वेटिंग जो है वो कम हो सकती है. डाइट में आपको शुगरी फूड्स को अवॉइड करना है, शुगरी ड्रिंक्स को अवॉइड करना है, आपको फ्राइड फूड को अवॉइड करना है एंड यू माइट बी एबल टू सी मैसिव चेंजेस इन योर हेल्थ. Are there any other questions I can answer for you guys? Thank you so much for joining me on this live. It was so good co-creating with all of you. Lots and lots of love to you. Bye, guys.